Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope everybody is fine and everybody is doing good. Before we start with the video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Now let's get on to the video. Today my Ambu is going to show you a very easy recipe that you can make with tapioca pearls. For that, we just need to soak the tapioca pearls. We had soaked our tapioca pearls for 3 hours and then it was so good. Then let's start on by putting the cumin seeds and oh wait, before that you can also fry some nuts and then you can put cumin inside the pan, put the onions and chilies, and then you can put our potatoes in there, and then all the masalas that we need like salt, ginger garlic paste, roasted cumin and black pepper powder, red chili powder, and especially this is special ingredient that we are using, and that is Maggi masala. Yes, it must have been very weird, but believe me, it's going to be very yummy. After that, you can sprinkle some red chili. You can sprinkle some chili flakes inside there, and finally, our 3 hours soaked in water tapioca pearls. Oh, and before putting it in, don't forget to drain the water out. I know it's pretty common, but I should have informed. Finally, we can add our roasted nuts that we had roasted before. Pinch some lime inside, and for a little bit of sourness flavor, give it a good stir. And we just want to mix and enhance the taste. And finally, you can end it with a spoon of ghee. This will make it more special and more delicious, and it will be so good. Then you can serve it right away, so hot. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye, masalama.